Hello, this is TJ Bartholomew with the Cisco TAC Data Center Compute team. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 different methods to clear image deleted alerts on the UCS Manager. The first method is to reinstall the package bundle. Go to software.cisco.com to download the package bundle. Then from UCS Manager, navigate to Equipment, Firmware Management, Download Task. Then click on Add near the bottom of the screen to download the bundle onto the UCS Manager. The second method involves deleting the host firmware policy. As a best practice, ensure that the package version is not currently in use in any service profile or template by selecting Show Policy Usage. If it's not in use, proceed to delete the policy by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. The third method involves modifying the package version. Before making any changes, ensure that the current package version referred to by the host firmware package is not used in any service profile or template. To proceed, select Modify Package Version and either change it to Not Set or replace it with the package from the blade or rack bundle that exists. Click Apply and then OK. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact TAC. Thank you for watching.